start again. It's a redskin.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we gonna slay this face. It's been a long time. I haven't been here. I know y'all miss me because I miss y'all too. But you know, I be having a lot of shit going on. I be having a lot of things going on in my life, and I be needing a break. And this last, I guess, 2 months that I've been gone, have just been like a snowball effect. So, but I'm back and I'm better. Okay, anyway. But anyway, we're gonna get into this beat. I'm gonna do a birthday look. I'm gonna do a full-on glitz and glamour because I'm gonna put on a lot of makeup. I'm putting on a lot of makeup because I haven't worn makeup in like a long time and I miss it. So how else do you make a great return without doing great makeup? To get into this makeup, get into this beat, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and let's get into it. What's up, y'all? Voiceover T is in the place to be. Okay, that's funny. I'm gonna stop. First off, I always start off with my brows. I can't put foundation on and then do my brows. I can't put the concealer under my brows and then do. I can't do that. Okay, I'm the type of person. I have a strict routine and I gotta stick to it. And I have to start with my brows. Okay, so y'all didn't see me do my brows, but I'm gonna just do one. And then I'm not even going to show y'all me concealing because y'all already know all that part, right? Yeah? Okay. So let's start on the eye. P. Louise base. Side note, please don't mind my kids. They loud. Anyway, P. Louise base. Putting that all over my lids. And then we're going to start with the shadows. Okay, first off, we're going to go in with this yellow from the James Charles palette. And then later on, right after, I go in also with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I use that yellow. Makes it a little brighter. Okay, I know y'all can't really see the orange, but I'm using like that neon orange. I don't know the shade name. Y'all don't be asking me for the colors anyway, so we just gonna wing it. It's more the neon orange that I'm using, and I'm just going to put that all through my crease, and then I'm going to blend it in to the yellow. So I want it to be like a gradient, you know, blended effect, okay? Because we're going to do a cut crease, and you know, the blend got to be right. So I'm also going back and forth with my yellow and my orange and all the other colors I'm going to use. You know, you can't just do it one time and be done. No, girl. You got to keep going. We're not done here. So now I'm going to take this pretty, it's kind of like a bright red, I don't know the name, you see the color, whatever, right? Now we're going to put that even lower onto the crease and blend that into the orange and then back into the yellow once again. Alright, so let's go into the Morphe 3503 palette. We're going to take this little pretty brown, kind of makes it a little purpley in here. It looks pretty, right? So we're just going to put that at the base of the crease or whatever you call it. I don't know, that area where it's at, below the red, below the orange, below the yellow. And blend it all together. And what do you get? A cut crease. Alright, y'all, time to cut this crease. Takes me a long time to do it, but I mean, it's worth it. So cut your crease, girl. I'm using my P. Louise base again in Rumor 2. And I'll get back to you when I'm done cutting the crease. Okay, so now that I did that, I'm gonna go take this shade. This is the Morphe Hit the Lights palette. I think it was like a Christmas one or something. But it had this pretty like iridescent pinky type of shade. It doesn't really show up very much, but I wanted that because I'm gonna put glitter on top of this. So, you know, the shade underneath doesn't really have to like pop. It just has to be there for foundation or whatever. So I'm gonna lay this on there, and then now I'm gonna take this shade again. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna blend that the end of that cut crease into this corner, and then I'm also gonna kind of give myself a little like a shadow liner, just not all the way across, but just kind of in that area. Then I'm gonna go get you a matte black, girl, and you just wanna blend it just a little. You don't need that much. You just want a little, just to make it pop a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? And then you wanna blend them together. So, oh my eye, girl, my eye. Anyway, so this little cheap shit, don't buy it, okay? I know it's cheap, it's only $7, but the Urban Decay glitters are so much better. This shit dries out. This shit is shit. You see, look, I'm trying to put it on, I'm trying to use a brush to blend it out. It's just not working. Girl, do not buy this. It's cheap, but you're gonna end up buying 13,000 of them before you would have, you know, just use this. This is my Stila. I wish I just had a more pinkier color. This is kind of pink, but it's kind of gold, like a rose goldy kind of thing. But it's okay. It's alright. We just work with what we got. Now it's time to line the eye. So with my black eyeliner, I did a full wing, but I'm going to go in with this blue, and I'm only going to line the top lid. I'm not going to wing it out. You know what I'm saying? Right on top of the black. Okay, so now it's time to apply some lashes. Girl, get whatever lashes you want. You know me, I like my fluttery, flirty, kind of cute, shorter on the inside, winged out on the outside. Girl, that's just, these big old eyes, that's the shape I need, right? You know what I'm saying? You just do what works for you. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so now we're going to go back into the James Charles palette. We're going to take that purple shade, and we're just going to put this on our lower lid, lower lash line. Girl, I don't know what I'm talking about. I just like to pack the color on first, and then I can get a fluffier pencil brush and kind of blend it out. Okay, so girl, so these pencils, if you do not have the cap on, it will dry out. It will not be able to be used. You cannot do nothing with it. I was trying to rub it on my hand to warm up the girl, like nothing, right? Didn't have the top on. Boom, gotta go. I'm like, okay, let's do a blue one. Girl, nope, gotta go. So the only one I had, this one hadn't been open. So, you know, it ended up working out. I do like the color, but it wasn't my first choice. You know what I'm saying? So let's put on some mascara, lower lash, top lash, and boom. That is the finished cut crease. Look, girl, look at me. So, spoiler, I didn't wear this for my birthday. But you know, I wore it in spirit, and I like how it came out. You know, this is kind of different for me, but it's not at the same time, but it is, because I don't use these color combinations very much. You know what I'm saying? So I really like how it came out. I hope you do too. Don't forget to like, share, comment, all that stuff, so your friends can see it, and I could be friends with your friends, and then we can all be friends. And that's how you do it. That's how you make friends, girl. All right, y'all. Until the next time, peace out, and love ya. Bye. Real quick, while you're still here, hit that video down below or hit that playlist. Girl, do it right now. Go ahead. Do it. I'm waiting.